Hello viewers, in today's lecture I'm going to show you how you can use a snipping tool. A snipping tool is actually an application or a software that comes with Windows. It helps you to capture all or part of the screen or a part of the web, or you can use it to capture a screen. Now, without much wasting of your time, we can start. Well, my name is Mike Tibello and I will be putting it through. First of all, to launch a snipping tool, just press your start and then type snipping. So you see a snipping tool appear, snipping tool. Now you click on it. Okay, assuming I want to use it, I want to get part of this text, I will now click on new snip. Now it will now allow me to map whatever I want to map. Then it has now cut this. Okay, and this one now can now be saved to the disk, saved to my computer. I'm saving to a download, capture, use capture history of Nigeria. It will actually capture as a JPEG, history of Nigeria. Whatever you wish to capture, you can capture with your snipping tool. Assuming I want to send this a recipe, I want to send a recipe to a friend, maybe on social media, and okay, maybe assuming I want to get part of this very recipe. I don't want to copy everything. Now I can maybe copy part. Just part. As you can see, I didn't copy the whole thing there. As you can see, there are oranges there which I did not included it. So this can be saved. Save it, file, save as, or Control S, save recipe. So these are, I've already downloaded it now, captured it to my location, download. Look at them. A recipe, history of Nigeria. Okay. And if you wish, this can be inserted to your Microsoft or to whichever document that you want to insert. Wherever JPEG is insertable, you can insert this too. So if this has helped you, please don't forget to like my channel, subscribe, and like it for onward videos. Thank you and see you next time.